Hello everyone, Jon Markee here, your Builder CPA. Pull up a chair, it's story time. Let's talk about our friends Bob the Bad Builder and Sammy the Star as it relates to cash flow. Sammy the Star has been a builder for a few years, and for the first time, she faces a tough situation. She has more jobs starting than closing. This means more money is going out than coming in, which puts pressure on her cash flow. For the first time, she might run out of cash. Bob the Builder finds himself in the same position, but dismisses the importance of bookkeeping and accounting help, thinking that hiring an accountant will only make his financial health worse because he has to pay them. Sammy, she shops for the right help. She's feeling the discomfort of her cash flow squeeze, and she never wants to be in this situation ever again. She realizes she needs expert help, and she shops around. She interviews multiple accountants and chooses the one who best understands her business. This accountant is not the cheapest, but they are the most effective and they have expertise in her industry. Bob, however, chooses once again, not to hire any accounting or bookkeeping help, thinking that he can manage things on his own. He believes paying for help will drain his already tight cash reserves, and he hasn't considered the long-term benefits. Sammy, with the help of her accountant, develops a cash flow forecast, which maps out income and expenses in the future. Now she's able to prepare for future cash shortages and make informed decisions to keep her business running smoothly. She has time to shop for a line of credit and get the best interest rate. Bob, on the other hand, is hit with surprise after surprise. He has no cash flow plan and scrambles every month. He has no idea where the money will come from to pay his bills, and his financial stress grows. He has nowhere to turn, so he ends up going to a loan shark that charges an extremely high interest rate. Sammy continues to work closely with her accountant on a regular basis to update her cash flow forecast, adjusting as new jobs start and others close. She can manage her growth and ensure her finances are stable. Her accountant helps her find opportunities to reduce costs and maximize the amount of cash that she has on hand. Bob starts relying on his credit cards to cover his cash flow gaps, racking up high interest charges and eating his profit away. His lack of planning leaves him constantly scrambling, and the interest really piles up, putting his business at risk. Sammy steps into her routine of controlled growth, balancing her starts and closings with the help of her accountant's expert guidance, and she sees consistent profitability and steady expansion in her business. Bob, overwhelmed by mounting interest payments and financial disorganization, eventually buckles under the pressure. His lack of planning and resistance to seek help leads to his home building business closing down. Even though the business is gone, the debt is not. And then his banks and creditors and loan sharks start coming after him personally because he made the mistake of signing a personal guarantee since there were no other options. In conclusion, you should be like Sammy the Star. When the pressure of cash flow mounts, seek the right help from the right accountant. Don't be like Bob the Bad Builder, who waited too long and let his financial situation spiral out of control. Consistent accounting and smart financial planning will save your business in the long run. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.